Good morning, I'm Wright, Chief Editor of Life Science Leader magazine, and I'm here at the Marriott Marquis in New York City for the Bio CEO and Investor Conference. With me I have Oppenheimer's Michael Margolis, Co-Head of Healthcare and
Head of Life Science Investment Banking.
So, Michael, could you tell us a little bit about Oppenheimer?
Sure.
So, what it is and maybe some of its recent activity.
Oppenheimer is a full-service investment bank. Historically been focused on emerging growth companies within life sciences and other growth verticals. It's a rich history in the financial services industry, around over 100 years.
Right.
From my standpoint, I joined about a year ago. Very excited to be here. We've hired a bunch of people over the last 6 months to refocus the team on emerging growth companies.
So you said you've hired a bunch of people. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about the type of people you hired.
Sure.
Maybe some of their skill sets.
Sure. It was very important to me, having been doing this for over a dozen years in investment banking, to have a platform that's really focused on the strategic standpoint for emerging growth companies, really helping companies both on the scientific side and the capital market side. Some of the new hires who joined us have chemistry backgrounds, have pharmacology backgrounds, have deep ties to the buy side as well.
Mm-hmm. So what about some goals that Oppenheimer has for 2018 and maybe even beyond?
Well, exiting 2017, very excited about the progress we made as a firm. When we were only there about nine months as a team, we executed about 30 transactions, a mixture of IPOs, confidentially marketed public offerings, private placements, and on the advisory side as well, we completed several transactions. We hope to continue that momentum. We're off to a very good start in 2018. The capital markets are open, but they're selective, and we've done a really good job of executing over the last 2 months.
So why does Oppenheimer see Bio CEO Investor Conference as being important to your company?
Personally, I've been involved with Bio CEO and other bio conferences throughout my years as a banker. I think it's a very important organization that supports emerging growth companies. For me, also relationships are important. For me as a banker, it's very important to have strong relationships with my clients. I think Bio's done a really good job of also building strong relationships with the industry and supporting their needs.
Wonderful. Well, thanks for taking the time today, Michael. We hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.